On the 4th of July, 2025, just before midnight, at the 7-Eleven parking lot in Rochelle Park, a white pickup truck staggered as it pulled in and struggled to park. The unusual behavior drew the attention of patrol officers, who immediately suspected the driver might be impaired or driving under the influence.
I'm going to be on the 80 in the parking lot of the 7-Eleven, Rochelle Ave, on the Pleasant Ave side. It's going to be a white pickup truck, all of us.
The officers swiftly approached the vehicle, only to discover that something far more disturbing was waiting for them inside.
Yo, what's going on?
The officers opened the door and were immediately struck by the sight. The man was clearly under the influence, with drug paraphernalia scattered all over the vehicle.
I was kissing Rochelle Park.
That's illegal?
What?
Did I do something illegal?
You pulled in here, you braked out of nowhere, and then you pulled in here, you couldn't even park.
Did I do something illegal?
I'm gonna make sure you're okay to drive.
Did I do something illegal?
Okay, can I see your license, registration, insurance?
But did I do something illegal?
I know who you are, stop it.
Okay, did I do something illegal?
Listen, I know who you are now. I wanna make sure you're okay to drive. You might be DUI right now. Show off the car for me.
I didn't commit a crime. I'm not showing my ID.
I know who you are.
I didn't commit a crime.
Yes, you did. I wanna make sure you're okay to operate a vehicle. You're driving recklessly in the parking lot. You can't even park the car.
How do you see I'm driving recklessly, bro? I pulled
all right, listen, we're not playing games here, right?
And reverse parts. No, I'm not.
You don't even have a license.
I'm not showing you anything.
You don't even have a license. Okay.
Just let him go.
Are you smoking marijuana in the car? I'm not going anywhere.
It's a muffin.
Oh, no, it's a muffin.
Ma'am, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
Nothing. Get over that door.
There's a baby in the car.
To their horror, the officers discovered a young child inside the vehicle, caught in the middle of this dangerous scene.
Hopping out the car. Yes, I am.
As the officers opened the door, drugs and related paraphernalia spilled out, exposing the grim reality hidden inside the vehicle.
Hopping out the car. There's drugs right there.
Where?
Paraphernalia right there. Hopping out the car.
Paraphernalia, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Get out of here, bro.
Hop out the car. Hop out the car.
I'm not getting out, man.
You're getting out of the car.
Am I under arrest?
You want to be under arrest? You're not listening to me.
Are you detaining me?
Yeah, you're getting detained. There's paraphernalia right there. Hopping out the car. I'm not going to ask you again. Reggie, hopping out the car. We're not playing games here. There's a baby in the car here.
No, so why are you bothering me, harassing me, bro?
Because I'll make sure you're okay. You sat here for over 5 seconds.
I didn't sit anywhere, bro. It's a parking lot.
Reggie, how about the car? We're not playing games here.
All right, get off me, man. Get off me, bro. Get off me, man. Get off me. This shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm not at all. There's a baby in the car. There's drugs. There's heroin. Why is there heroin bags falling off your lap?
Because the car's dirty, bro.
Are you kidding me? No. We don't do that.
The car's dirty, man.
I was sleeping. We're coming from our family.
No, don't say that to him.
No.
Let him take me in.
Stay in the car.
Let him take me in. Renee, don't say anything to him. Let him take me in. It's fine. I ain't doing anything wrong, bro. It's fine. That shit is dirty, old shit. It doesn't matter.
Okay. We're going to do some tests to make sure you're okay to drive a car, too, back at headquarters.
I'm not doing any tests, bro.
You're refusing?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, just grab her out of the car. There's heroin paraphernalia everywhere. There's a baby in the back seat.
Why are you doing this, bro? That's not legal, bro. Look where you at.
Are you refusing to take any tests right now? I want to do a field sobriety test.
I'm not taking one, bro. That's a parking spot right there. You're talking about I was
sat here for...
I was reversing the slot.
No. Listen, I saw you have trouble
bro,
making that
I'm
left
having
turn.
trouble, bro. I'm reversing the slot.
Everything's on camera at this store,
right,
too,
so
okay? I sat right there and saw it.
Whatever.
All right. No, just take her out and just talk to her out here, okay?
Renee, lawyer, don't say anything to him,
Are you going to take any field sobriety tests?
Bro.
You're not? Okay. 1 6 4 quarter.
You're doing anything wrong, man. I sat in the slot, man. That's reverse parking, bro.
Go ahead.
We're going to have one party under for 450, refusing to take any tests. Paraphernalia in plain view.
Receipt 100, 148.
Asshole, bro.
Who?
Big asshole, bro. Nothing on it, man.
What's up?
Nothing on it. I don't use it anymore, asshole.
Okay, that's why it's all over the car.
That's because the car's dirty.
You have a baby in the car. Who's the car registered? There's drugs right here in your back pocket, bro.
The car's dirty, bro. Just pick the car up, man. I don't use a fucking car like that anymore.
You have anything stuffed in your pants?
No, man. Why would something pants you just pull out pocket?
Reggie, stop playing games here, bro.
Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone.
Stop playing games with me.
Oh, you see me there? You see me nodding down shit? I'm straight, I'm clean.
Why'd you take so long to park the car?
Bro, I reverse parked into the slots.
Take a seat. Take a
What
seat,
are you
Reggie.
talking about? Look at the lines.
Reggie, take a seat.
Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro.
The officers even discovered drugs hidden in his pants pocket, adding to the mounting evidence against him.
Me? Okay.
Nothing. Harassing me.
Okay, I'm harassing you.
Yeah.
I'm making sure you're okay to drive.
How are you gonna tell me I'm having trouble with parking, right?
You were.
I'm in the reverse slot. Look at the
Okay.
lines. I'm gonna be an ass, man. Take me to jail, a couple bags of heroin in the car.
I'm worried about the baby. That's your baby?
No.
Whose baby is that?
Hers. Why are you worried about it? What'd I do?
I'm making sure it's okay.
Don't do that, Kiska, man. Kiska. Kiska.
What's up, bro?
Leave me alone, man.
Who?
Leave my son alone, bro.
It's your son.
Leave my wife
Yeah.
and son alone, bro. Leave me alone. We don't do anything. We don't use the other drink. Leave me alone. Kiska. Let them go, bro.
Listen, you're causing issues with me right now.
Kiska,
Take a seat in the car for now,
Kiska,
okay?
let them go.
Watch your
Kiska,
legs.
Kiska.
Do you have anything concealed on your person?
Nah, bro. Kiska.
Okay, watch your leg.
Kiska. Kiska.
Watch your leg.
Nah, bro. Listen, man. Listen.
Watch your legs. I'll talk to you in a few
My wife-
minutes.
Listen, man.
Watch
my
your
wife
foot.
does a great job. She doesn't usually do anything wrong, but just don't let me be.
Watch
the
your feet.
downfall, bro. Let her go.
Watch your feet, and I'll talk to you in a few minutes. I need to figure out what's going on here, okay? Watch your legs.
Come on, bro.
Watch your right foot.
Leave me alone.
Do you get her information? This is your baby?
Yes.
And this is her car too.
Are you okay?
Yes. Like you woke me up and now I'm like terrified.
The officers quickly collected all the evidence from the vehicle, including drug paraphernalia, multiple bags of suspected heroin, and other concealed items linked to the investigation.
Get the baby's information too? Where's your mom at? Your mom, right? Don't you have a mom that takes care of your son too? Your grandma? Or the grandma? Where's she at? Okay, can you call her? Do you have your phone?
Why? I'm around there.
You might be. I'm trying to figure this out right now, okay? So call her.
Hi. We're getting arrested.
Paraphernalia everywhere. Drug is heroin.
They pulled us over and said there's drug paraphernalia in the car.
Everywhere.
And can you come get the baby?
Rochelle Park. Come to Rochelle Park Police Station.
Rochelle Park, 7-Eleven.
Tell her to go to the police station.
She said come to the police. He said come to the police station.
Let me talk to her.
Oh.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, is this...
Yes. Can you tell me a little bit about what's going on?
So are you Reginald's mother?
Yes.
All right, so listen, he was driving all messed up in our parking lot over here. I wanted to make sure he was okay to drive, and then there's paraphernalia everywhere, and he caused some issues. There's a baby in the car. There's drug paraphernalia. We have recovered drugs. Okay, I'm going to need you to come to our police station to take custody of this baby.
Okay,
Thank you.
now. Okay.
Yeah, we're not playing this game. She's under arrest for paraphernalia and possibly endangering the welfare of a child. Ma'am, do you have anything concealed on your person? We're going to call a female officer here, okay? Just make sure your back's going to be recording when you put her in. Yeah, you just throw her in and just buckle the seat.
Receive, go with it.
Foxtrot 0 8 647 61 60 1.
2359.
What's going on?
Renee. Stay in the car.
Take
You need to breathe.
a deep breath. We're gonna go to the police station, okay? Take a deep breath. What's wrong?
Renee, sit up. Renee, sit up.
So Yeah, anxiety. My medication for it's too tight.
It's not too tight.
It is.
You're making them too tight now. You're moving around.
So just sit down there. I'm gonna finish up here, and we'll get done here, okay?
Let me stand here, please.
Just let her stand here if she's not gonna freak out, and then I'll be right back, okay? This is insane. Here's her bag and ID. We'll search it at headquarters.
Yeah.
What's up? You're gonna see him. You protect.
The officers notified Child Protective Services about the presence of the child and requested that they take immediate steps to ensure the child's safety and proper custody arrangements.
Just have them respond to assist with the transport of a juvenile.
Receipt 0008.
Got a baby here, man. I think it's just in by a seatbelt. It's not even in properly. Yeah. What's up, bud? Is it off now?
Oh yeah, this just comes off this.
I don't even think it's in right?
Yeah, we should be good.
All right. You mind if we could try to put him in your car and then you could bring him? Because we got two prisoners in our cars. That's the problem.
Okay.
Unless you want to bring a prisoner for us.
Do you know how to secure it in the car? I don't know how to secure it.
That's the thing. We'll try to do something with the seatbelt like this. Just go slow. We're right down the street, you know. This is out of control. What's up, bud? How you doing? You want your drink? Tired? All right, that baby was safely removed and secured in the Primus vehicle. We're going to be transporting 2 parties to headquarters. I have a male party. Starting miles when you're set.
Both Reginald and Renea were taken into custody, facing multiple charges for drug possession and child endangerment. The toddler, thankfully unharmed, was placed safely under family care with the supervision of Child Protective Services. The case serves as a stark reminder. Addiction doesn't just destroy the life of the user. It puts innocent children in danger and leaves families shattered. The true victims are often those who cannot protect themselves.